Hello there, everyone, and it has been quite a while. I have to show you my unboxings for today. Noragami, the complete first season for Blu-ray and DVD. Tokyo Ghoul, the first season, Blu-ray and DVD. And Sword Art Online, Season 2, Phantom Bullet, Part 2. Let's get down to Noragami. This has been out for a while, but if you guys watch my movies or my videos, I haven't done a video in quite a while because you know how it is, freaking life, man. 5 yen at a time. That's pretty much my life. A paycheck at a time. Okay, cool. I haven't seen this show yet, but it looked pretty good. And the English cast looks pretty good. So hopefully it will be good. Otherwise, I will be very disappointed. Whoops. Okay, here we go. It has 1 through 12 episodes, if you guys want to see all that. Commentaries, all that. Okay, this is the first DVD disc. Hey, you can see me wearing my freaking Chelsea jersey. Haha. And this is the second disc. Cool DVD. Oh, whoops. And this is the first Blu-ray. Very nice. And the second Blu-ray. Cool. Try to get in the focus on this. And pretty much just like, yeah. Because this is a lot easier to... Whoa. Okay. Bam, Noragami. Could have probably picked a better name, but whatever. Okay, Tokyo Ghouls. Hunger becomes him. Okay, awesome. Funimation. Okay, there you go, if anyone wants to read all that. Awesome. Extras, there you go. Let's open this bad boy up. That is... trying to get in the focus. That's pretty nice. This is the first DVD. 1 through 7 episodes. I think they're supposed to be like, yeah, they're right. They're flowers covered in blood. This is the second DVD. I cannot see because of the blood. 8 through 12 episodes. You can see that. And the Blu-ray. The first one, 1 through 9 episodes. And 10 through 12 episodes. It's funny how it says collector's edition, and it's like, this is the regular edition, not the collector's, which is funny. There you go, Tokyo Ghoul, first season. I haven't seen it, well, I've seen it in Japanese, but not in English, but hopefully that's good. And the main attraction, Sword Art Online. I'll try to get this in the focus so you guys can see all that. Commentary, extras, bonus stuff. And this is for Blu-ray only. Oh. Well, let me get it out of the package so you can see it. Like, this is freaking expensive though. It's a nice show, but freaking, man, It's expensive. I'm getting too old for this. Part 2. And so you guys can see that. English or Japaneso. Okay. There we go. Well, I'm trying to... Yeah, alright. Actually, I'll show you what it looks like without it. Whoops. Awesome. And this is the little cover book, or art book, whatever you want to call it. Try to focus in on that. Dang it. Alright. If it doesn't focus now, then screw it. There we go. Very nice. Cool. Whoa. Scandalous. Root for me, okay? If only he was a girl, that would be awesome, but he's a boy. Skullface, or the Grim Reaper. This, what was it called? GGO, or whatever this called. This game that they're playing with the guns and all that. It's pretty much like a mixture of Call of Duty and Halo, like, in one freaking game. That's what I see. Well, that's what I think it is. Cool. Dead. I'm probably gonna wait for when the last part comes out to get the third one, because the third one only has or the third part of this, when it comes out, I think it only has it's either, I think, 2 or 3 episodes or something, and like that's not a lot, and it's still it's still a lot of money, which I find is so stupid. So you're just gonna Aniplex is just gonna keep charging out the ass for freaking everything, because they can make a profit, and we're stupid enough to buy it. Well, if you want to be a collector, you want to buy it. I do like these scenery pics. Like that is nice. Let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah, that's nice. Awesome. Okay, let's go through these first. Madoka. This is a little card. Oh yeah, Fate Stay Night. I gotta get that soon. And I will, for you guys. Here's my proof of purchase. Whoa. That's weird. That looks like a butter knife type of thing. That is funny. Let us open this very, very delicately. Oh, very nice. Whoa. This should have been the cover. Not that. Like, looks way better. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's like, oh hey, I'm transforming. It's like Next Order Online. It's like, they're not with guns anymore. They're with magical girls. Whoa. Okay, there you go. Phantom Pain. Alright. And let's see what this one is. Oh. Alright, this is the bonus stuff. Bryce Papenbrook and Ben Ditskin. Wow. By Bryce Papenbrook. Jeremy Lee and Ben Dixkin. Michelle Ruff. Dixkin. You know you guys are laughing too, so, you know, it's not just me. I'm not the only one that's not immature here. Alright, alright. Cool. An abandoned an abandoned city. Freaking getting tongue-tied. Oh, whoops. Ha, upside down. Very cool, very cool. Like, if they had this, like this type of extra stuff on the regular Blu-rays, I would get the regular Blu-rays, but I do like these boxes, though. Like, they're really nice. Okay, let's see how many episodes. Yet episode... Trying to... episodes 8 through 14.5. Okay, you get like a half an episode or something. This is Shinon or Cheyenne. I don't remember how to say her name. Shimmy Shimmy Sean. This is her gun, I believe. Oh God, I hope I'm right. And the discs are exactly the same like the first Sword Art Online, which is not bad, but like, you know, if you're paying a lot for this, throw some flair into it. Make them shiny. Make them dance. Make them do something. And, oh, I think that's all of it. Yep, that is all. I hope you liked my unboxing of Noragami, Tokyo Ghoul, first seasons for both, and the second part of Sword Art Online. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.